Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact delta force build you have and the platform you'll run it on. This matters because input methods differ. Once done, install an X input wrapper like X360C or the official Xbox 360 driver so the game sees the controller. Make sure the pad is connected, USB or Bluetooth, and verify in Windows gamepad settings that buttons and sticks respond. If a wrapper requires a config file, create it now so mappings persist. Now you map inputs so delta force controls feel natural. Launch X360C or similar in the game folder and let it auto-detect the Xbox controller. This creates an INI or DLL that the game reads. Map look to right stick, movement to left stick, and assign fire, aim, sprint, and grenade to convenient buttons. Once mapped, save the profile and test in a quick mission. If aiming feels inverted, change the axis polarity. Make small adjustments until movement and camera finish by ensuring your mapping loads every time. Place the wrapper files next to the game executable and keep the saved profile in the same folder so Delta Force picks it up. If running through DOSBox, enable joystick support and add your key mappings to DOSBox. Conf so inputs pass through correctly. If anything goes wrong, check the most common issue, axis inversion or drift, and reassign or invert the problematic axis. This usually restores proper look and movement immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.